Hey guys, it's Reuben. Today we're going to be doing another Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. And guys, if you hear something in the background, just don't listen to it. It's just my parents and my siblings and stuff. So yeah, and guys, what I did before was what I did in the last video was I went around this errands for everybody in the place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna go get new clothes and also do more stuff for everybody. That way I can just be a help to everybody because everyone deserves kindness. Also, guys, when I was playing this game on camera, I got this garden patch yesterday. I got this garden patch yesterday, and I found out you can plant them, and I just think it's really cool. So yeah, these are my flowers I planted. These are all tulips. I planted red, yellow, and orange. Yellow and orange tulips. So yeah, that's how it worked. Now, to start this video off, let's first of all look at my mailbox and see what we have. I want to see something though. Can I put on this dress I got today? The Plenish dress. Or can I not? So I want to see if it will look good on me. People will think it's and people will think I'm wearing a boy kind of thing. I want to see it. How do you view your own clothes though? It won't let me. Oh, I think I have to go here. No. Do you press this? I want to see if this looks good on me, please. Come on, please. What did I press to do this? Oh, did I press this? Yeah, I pressed this. Okay. Now I know. Let's see what. Will this look good? And play just rustic. What am I looking at? Yeah, I'm gonna find something for a boy. Okay. So, oh, this is better. Okay, so, I'll give this to Goldie because I found out that you can give your pets clothes to wear and stuff. So I'm gonna let Goldie wear this. So she's my number one best friend in this game. So yeah, let's let her wear this. Now see. Hey Reuben boy, I just stopped here to browse and I read a few book jackets when one of them caught my eye. Thought why not read the first few pages? Woof. Next thing I know, I have finished the whole book and I'm halfway through the sequel. I just can't put it down. Seriously, I've been standing here so long, I just have to move. Yay! Our friendship went up to level 5. Woohoo! So, we got natural essence 3. And yes, I'm leveling up. But I didn't really get to tell you what I want. Are you here to see me? Yeah. Oof. Change outfit, please. I can't wait to see what you pick out for me. I bet you have got a great fashion set. Let's do it. Yep. Where? You look good in it. Wait, what happens if I give her this? Oh, she can't. Okay, because it's only for humans. You look nice in this. I like it. So let's confirm it. Well, I feel like a completely different person. Thanks for picking this out for me. You're welcome. I feel like you look really good in it. Complete. So guys, what did I just press on? Anyway, Let's go start by buying clothes. Where's the shop again? I found it. No, that wasn't the shop, wasn't it? That wasn't the shop. Yep, this ain't the shop. Um, I need to find the shop first of all. This is it, right? Found it, marketplace. Let's go. Oh, they're bringing the wedding collection out. That's cool. Might buy one of these. I might look nice in one of these. And my animals, goals, and I already read that on my first video. So yeah. So yeah. My welcome. How may I help you today? You guys need to do something? I am ready. I just want to talk, you know? Never mind, I'll come back later. Thank you. Yes. So let's start by buying some clothes. Okay. Dude, there was really no point of me coming here, was there? Or maybe there was? Like, can I go into the shop or something? No, I can't. But I'll just pretend I'm like buying clothes by just buying new clothes here. So, guys, let's buy myself a new outfit. Can't wait to do this. So, guys, I want like a green shirt. Wow, they know about Corona, don't they? Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I am going to get it since it's Corona time. And it makes sense. There we go. You have ordered it out from LaBelle. Thank you. Can I put it on later? No, as I was saying, I want like a green shirt and something like that. But what shorts am I wearing though? Yeah, I'll keep these shorts because these shorts are good. But I might change. Okay, I'll leave the shoes alone. I want to like change the socks and the shirt, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I need a green shirt, please. I can say they like find a green shirt or anything. Don't they have that in this game? Okay. I'm in the shirt section, but nothing. There is nothing. How about the shorts? Nope, nothing. So, what's this? Not that I'm gonna buy or anything, but like, what was that? Okay. Right, so there's really nothing for me to buy. I'll buy more stuff in another video. But now, what we're gonna do is try wear the mask. Cause I wanna wear the mask. Where's the mask? I wanna wear it. Please let me wear it. Probably couldn't, don't I? What do we do with this? We sell it, okay. But like, I want to wear the mask. How do you wear it? How do you wear the mask? I'll wear it. Did I just waste my money for no reason? Is there like a way to craft it quicker, like always with like your leaf tickets? I'm doing a video. Guys, sorry, that's Elena. Well, anyway, off camera, I'll like try to find a way to like put on stuff you buy. So, Since we just finished playing stuff right now, um, what we're gonna do is go do stuff for people, and we're gonna go to people who have exclamation marks, like this guy, Eugene. No day by the river is complete without a little fishing, and he wants to one apple. I have that for you, Lost Lure Lake. I mean creek. So let's go. Hi, let's go find Eugene. Found him. That was quick. Actually, no. Let's just pick up all this stuff. Just be nice, because we don't like to litter, you know. Thank you. Do you mind if I do? Looks like one of those cool guys. Wow, either you keep your van in top-notch condition or you just drove it off the lot. I'm guessing the latter. Nice to meet you. I'm Eugene. Now, when we bump into each other on our travels, we can meet as old friends and buddies. And our friendship might to level 1. So what can I do for you? Or more likely, what can you do for me? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Here you go. Take these apples. You're really just handing me this over? No questions asked? Well, yeah, buddy. I got 100 bells, 2 paper, and 1 preserve. Now, that's what is awesome. Whenever you need a favor, I hope you come to me first. Yeah, I'm level 4. You must congratulate me. Woohoo. Got 10 leaf tickets and 1,000 bills. You also been added to your contacts, Dottie. Okay. And I can craft new items. And now they're in my craft catalog. Let's give him these oranges before we go see Dottie. What, do I look lonely or something, Reuben boy? Here you go. You're giving this to me? Thanks, Reuben boy. It's your reward. 100 bells, 2 paper, and 1 steel. I can't believe you came through for me like that. You are the coolest. And yeah, our friendship went up to level 2. Here's your reward. 1 cool essence, 3 paper, and 200 bells. And we're leveling up a little. And I do not have any horse mackerel for you. Or is that what they're called? I do not know. And let's just get these peaches in case Dottie wants them. The things I do for Animal Crossing. Yo, okay. Oh, what's that? Let's just catch this. Tap. What's this? Not a horse mackerel, but it will do. We'll get another fish in case Dottie wants it. Probably wants 3 fish, so if we're to find something for Dottie, she'll probably want 3 fish. So let's get 3 fish, or at least try to find some. Kill fish. Oh, the fish is different. Oh well, that's sad. I need the same fish though. Let's use our river throw net. This will be perfect. This will help us catch lots of fish very easily. We got a pill chub, a killfish, a crawfish, and a carp. Perfect. Let's go see Dottie. Where's Dottie though? I don't see Dottie anywhere on the map. Where's Dottie? I don't see her. I wanna go see Dottie. Where is she? Oh, maybe she's over here. Since I already went here. Well, I can't seem to find Dottie anywhere. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go to the quarry where you can find like stones and everything. You know, just to get those stones to trade with people. So yeah, you know, I just find that game really fun. So yeah, um, let's do it. Hey guys, if you hear water in the background, I'm I'm washing my hands. It's Corona time. Need to have that perfect hygiene. Oh, some of the water got on the keyboard, so let me clean that off. There we go. It's all gone. Anyway, yes. Hey, little my man, what's up? Okay. Welcome. You must be here for the famous Quarry tour. As a part of the tour, you'll be granted the opportunity to break some rocks with a shovel. Perhaps that doesn't sound exciting, but I'll gladly offer you bells for any memories you find. Some people have been known to find valuable silver or gold nuggets. Let's find some memorals. We could go home and craft stuff. Okay, let's see what we found. A ruby. We didn't find that in the last video. A silver nugget. We found lots of those in the last video. Oh, we found a sapphire. That's new. I'm doing a video. It's Elena again. Sheesh. Like I told her before, I was making a video, but no, she can't listen. Not to sound rude, but it's true. So, we found another silver nugget, which is really common. So we're done. Well, you worked quite hard. I hope you'll be satisfied with this reward. Here's your reward: 6,000 bells. Historical essence. Cool. 18 of them. Well, this has been a more than satisfactory transcation. I'm pleased with today's mineral haul. Thank you for your help. I would be delighted if you ever want to assist me further. Well, I already do that. I like helping plant the stuff in my garden and stuff. So let's go home and craft some stuff for my house. That we can get updated more on this whole new thing because that's going on. Is going on in Animal Crossing. Okay, let's go home. Yeah, let's go home. Guys, I feel like this was like a short video to me because we didn't do much, but at least we got to meet up with people. So yeah. List an item in the marketplace. I didn't collect all, so we can craft some stuff. Oh, she's sleeping. She must be exhausted from that book she read. And to what do I owe this pleasure? Woof, you can always talk to me. Yeah, you can always talk to me if you need any help, Goldie. I'll always be here for you. So, do you happen to have any fish on you? Sorry if that's a weird question, but I'm kind of hungry all of a sudden. Yeah, I have lots of fish. I'll give you. What's something that she would like? I feel like she would like something like this. A carp. Gift item. Here you go. Is this a carp? Wow. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful gift. Woof woof. Oh, it's nothing. Oh, I got 1,500 bells. Woohoo! And 1 wood and 4 steel. How are you always there when I need you, Reuben? But thanks a million. Oh, she's sleeping again. Alright, while she's sleeping, let's try to do this very quietly. Let's craft stuff for my house. Alright, let's get this sink for hygiene because Corona craft. Wait, preview, please. Also, takes you to the loading screen. Of course, it would do this. Anyway, let's see this. I don't really like the loading screen because it takes a long time to load. And yeah, let's see this. No, I don't want to read the directions and stuff. Please. Yeah, let's just order it. Whatever. Yeah, it looks nice, so let's order it. Craft it, please. Enhance workspaces. Add more crafting workspaces or clear a workspace you currently in use. Okay. So, guys, I'll do this off camera. You guys can be updated on how the house looks once I make my new video tomorrow or on Monday. So, yeah. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Punch that like button, turn it blue from gray, and punch it in the face. And join the pair pack. It's very easy. All you have to do is subscribe, and then you're automatically joined. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.